Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Argentine corn tamales, a delicious and lesser-known culinary gem. But before we get to the cooking, let's explore fascinating facts about this South American delight. Argentine corn tamales, also known as humita and choclo, are a traditional dish in Argentina, especially during the corn harvest season. These tamales are made with fresh corn, which is ground and mixed with a flavorful filling, then wrapped in corn husks before steaming. The basic ingredients for Argentine tamales include corn, cheese, and spices. Each region in Argentina may have its own unique variations. There are several regional variations of Argentine tamales, such as humitas and chala, humitas and ala, and more. Each has its distinct flavors and preparation techniques. Argentine tamales have a rich history that dates back to pre-Columbian times when indigenous communities made similar dishes using corn. Let's go for the cooking process. We'll start by preparing the corn. Take fresh corn on the cob and remove the kernels by cutting them off. To make the corn dough, place the corn kernels in a blender and blend until you have a coarse, thick paste. Now, let's prepare the filling. In a separate bowl, combine shredded cheese, sautéed onions, diced red bell peppers, and a pinch of your favorite spices. Mix these ingredients well. It's time to assemble the tamales. Take a corn husk and spread a spoonful of the corn dough onto the center of the husk. The filling adds a burst of flavor to the tamale. Carefully fold the sides of the corn husk over the tamale, making sure the dough and filling are enclosed. Then, fold up the bottom of the husk to seal it. To secure the tamale, use thin strips of corn husk to tie it together. This ensures that the tamale keeps its shape during steaming. Now, it's time to steam the tamales. Place the tamales upright in a steamer. Make sure to stack them so they don't fall over during cooking. Steam the tamales for about 45–60 minutes. The exact cooking time may vary, so it's essential to check one tamale to ensure it's fully cooked. Once they're done, carefully remove the tamales from the steamer. Let them cool for a few minutes. They should be soft and have a slightly firm texture. While savory tamales are more common, there are sweet variations with ingredients like sugar, cinnamon, and raisins. These tamales are naturally gluten-free and can easily be adapted to suit various dietary preferences, including vegan or vegetarian options. Many of us don't know that corn husks used to wrap the tamales not only add flavor but also keep the tamales moist during cooking. Argentine tamales hold cultural significance and are often served during special occasions, festivals, and family gatherings. Argentina is one of the world's largest producers of corn, making it the ideal place for enjoying this corn-based delight. Humita and choclo or tamales have gained popularity worldwide, making them accessible to food enthusiasts across the globe. The process of making Argentine tamales is a labor of love, often involving multiple family members who come together for the preparation. In many Argentine regions, local celebrations and festivals are centered around the making and enjoying of tamales. Corn, the primary ingredient in Argentine tamales, is rich in fiber and antioxidants, making this dish not only delicious but also nutritious. Argentine tamales are often served with spicy sauces or chimichurri, enhancing the overall flavor profile. Tamales are often enjoyed with a cup of Argentine yerba mate or a glass of local wine, enhancing the dining experience. Creative chefs and food enthusiasts have developed modern twists on the traditional tamale, including grilled and baked variations. Similar corn-based dishes are enjoyed in many countries worldwide, showcasing the global appeal of this culinary tradition. Argentine tamales can be made in large batches, frozen, and reheated, making them a convenient and versatile dish. The flavor and texture of tamales can vary greatly from one region of Argentina to another, offering a diverse culinary experience. In some Argentine cities, you can find tamales served as street food, offering a quick and tasty snack option. The patience and love put into making tamales are truly reflected in the delicious final product. Thank you for joining us today on this flavorful journey through Argentine Humita and Choclo or corn tamales. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting culinary adventures. See you in the next video. Till then, happy cooking!